Good day, ma'am. This is our video presentation for Pascal. I am Brian JWR and we will be discussing the definition of derivatives. Good day everyone. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung paano kunin yung definition of derivative. So, let f be a function which is defined at each number x in some open interval a and b. The derivative of f at x denoted by f prime x is given with a formula. So the formula is f prime x equals the limit of f rather x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches to 0. So, ito yung formula. And, easy lang tong makuha yung f of x dahil mayroon na tong value. And, nahihirapan lang tayo dito sa f x plus h. So, for example number 1. So, for example, yung f of x natin is 2x plus 5. For example, ito yung value ng f of x natin. So, gagamitin natin itong formula na ito. And, sa f of x natin, papalitan lang natin itong x ng x plus h. So, magiging ito. F prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches to 0 to x, papalitan natin ng x plus h plus 5. So, ito yung fx plus h natin. Punta tayo sa value ng fx. So, given naman dito, value, copy na natin 2x plus 5 over h. Pagkatapos, dali na lang ito, limit as h approaches to 0, multiply na lang natin to 2 multiplied by x, 2x, 2 multiplied by h, 2h, then 5. So, ito pala. So, negative times 2x is negative 2x, then negative times positive 5 is negative 5 over h. Pagkatapos, tatanggalin na natin tong magkapareha, which is negative 5 and 5. And itong positive 2x and negative 2x. So, matitira na lang is yung 2h over h. Makancel na natin to. Ito, 2. So, limit natin, limit as h approaches to 0 is 2 equal, so ang f prime of x is equal to 2. So, ito yung derivative natin. So, dumako tayo sa ating pangalawang example. So, sa pangalawang example, number 2, if ang f of x natin, ang value niya is x squared. So, gagamitin natin yung formula. Formula f prime x equals to the limit as h approaches to 0 f x plus h minus f of x over h. So, madali lang dahil yung f of x natin is x squared. So, papalitan lang natin f prime of x. So, magiging ganito. Limit as h approaches to 0. Then, natin yun. Ang x, papalitan natin ng x plus h. X plus h squared. Then, copy natin to. Negative. And, value ng ating f of x. Yun natin f of x is x squared. Madali lang, diba? Over h. Tapos dito. Limit as h approaches to 0. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay i-factored out natin. I-factored out natin kasi merong squared. So, factored out ng x plus h squared is x plus h magiging 2 x plus h. Pagkatapos, copy natin to x squared over h. Pagkatapos, i-multiply natin a limit h equals 0. We will multiply. So, x multiplied by x is x squared. Then, x multiplied by h is xh plus h multiplied by x, pwede pa rin xh. Then, plus h multiplied by h is h squared. Then, copy lang natin itong negative x squared over h pa rin. So, cancel out natin yung pwedeng ma-cancel out. So, itong negative x squared and positive x squared. Tsaka yun lang. Tapos, itong x plus h, kasi para silang positive. So, magiging 2xh. 2xh. Then, copy na natin itong h squared. h squared over h. Pagkatapos, meron silang common, dalawa, yung h. Kaya, pwede pa natin yung ma-simplify. So, limit as h approaches to 0, lalabas natin yung h. Then, 2x. Nalabas natin na yung h. Plus, isa na yung h over h. So, yung mga variables sa labas, hindi pa natin yung makancel. Kaya, titira lang yung limit sa h approaches to 0 is yung 2x plus h. 2x plus h. Then, dito, magda-direct substitution na tayo. So, limit h approaches to 0, 2x plus 0. So, equals 2x. So, ang value ng f prime of x is equal to 2x. So, nakuha natin yung 2x, which is the derivative sa f of x na x squared. So, ngayon dadako na tayo sa example number 3. So, if ang f of x natin is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 5. So, parang mahaba to. So, gagamitin natin yung formula, which is f prime of x equals to the limit as h approaches to 0, f x plus h minus f of x h. So, palitan natin yung x, yung mga x ng x plus h. So, substitute natin. Limit as h approaches to 0 to, substitute natin yung x plus h. X plus h squared minus x plus h plus 5. Then, copy natin yung value ng f of x, which is 2x squared minus x plus 5 over h. Then, tapos, limit h approaches to 0. Then, simplify natin. So, this will become 2. And x squared plus ito 2xh, then h squared. Ito rin. So, negative multiplied by x. So, negative x and negative h. Tapos, copy yung 5. Then, ito, magiging negative 2x squared. And ito, magiging positive x and negative 5 over over h. Pagkatapos, limit h approaches to 0, then multiply natin. So, magiging 2x squared plus 2 multiplied by 2xh 4xh plus 2 multiplied by h squared 2h squared, then copy. Then 2x squared plus x minus 5 over h pa din. So, cancel out natin yung pwedeng maka-cancel out. Negative 5 negative 2x squared positive 2x squared, then yung x negative x positive x, and natitira limit as h approaches to 0. So natitira is 4xh plus 2h squared and negative h over h. So, tayo dito, limit h approaches to 0. So, common sa kanilang lahat yung h, kaya lalabas natin yung h magiging 4x na lang plus isa lang yung h dito, 2h, and yun, over h. Then cancel natin yung h and direct substitution na para sa h. So, limit as h approaches to 0 equal to 4x plus 2 multiplied by 0. So, magiging limit h 0, then ito, so 4x. So ang value ng ating f prime of x is 4x. So ito ating derivative para sa function of x ng 2x squared minus x plus 5. So, that's all. I hope meron kayong natutunan. And, yun lang. Bye-bye!